I'm Jamie with LadyMeraki Designs, and welcome back to another Sunday video. Alright, babe, so as you can see from the title, I've seen a lot of people going around on YouTube doing the IG controls my day, IG controls my meals, so I was like, why don't we make a lip gloss together? So I reached out to Instagram and Facebook, and together we built a wonderful gloss. So I'm just going to show you guys how it went. Let's go. Alright, so a couple weeks ago, I posted a story on my Facebook and my Instagram, just setting up some polls and some questions. And you guys actually really shocked me with the results. So here's the winners. For the base color, it was going to be a nude. For the sheen, y'all voted for shimmery. And then for the opacity, y'all didn't want a pigmented gloss this time. Y'all wanted a sheer. This is where I was very shocked. The contenders for flavoring was fruity, candy, peppermint, and I think I put other. But y'all voted peppermint, which I'm totally here for, but I was shocked to say the least. And then for keychain, the overall was a no. With all that being said, I feel like every decision was a great decision because it came out to being a beautiful gloss that I hope you guys like. So, getting this gloss started, I poured in some castor oil, vitamin E oil, a little bit of coconut oil, as well as my pigments, so brown, red, white, a little bit of sienna oxide, and lastly, my 24 karat gold shimmer. So, after mixing up the gloss, I realized that I definitely over pigmented it. So, what I decided to do was to split the batch into two, because the original gloss was beautiful. It was a very pretty brown color, but it just wasn't what IG wanted, and I wanted to give you guys what you voted for. So once it was split, I added some more Versagel and oils and the flavoring oil, and it came out to be a very pretty sheer. Alright, so with all that out the way, I do want to let you guys know that I have been going live a lot on TikTok. So if you guys want to follow me over there, the link is in the description. The second half of this process was done over on TikTok. Sometimes we do Q&A, sometimes I just chit chat and talk, sometimes we do DIY. So I would love for you guys to join me over there. And once you follow me, you should get notified of when I am going live. Alright, so that's all I have to say for right now. I'm going to let you guys watch the tubes and listen to tunes, and I will hop on a little bit later. Alright, babe, so that's the end of this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure to hit that bell so you know exactly whenever I upload next. Here's a little sneak peek of next week's video. And before you go, let's go outside and see some swatches. Bye! This is the final result. It is a beautiful sheer nude brown. I love it. It smells just like peppermint. It smells so good. And if you look closely, you can see the beautiful gold reflex. Bye!